Hey everyone, what's up? It's Steph here. Welcome back to our 21 Days to a Clean Home series. Today we're gonna add my all-time favorite daily focus item. It's Anti-Procrastination Day. So today, super simple. I just want you to pick a nagging little task that's been kind of hanging over your head. It doesn't have to be something major. I'm not asking you to reorganize your whole closet. Just a tiny little thing that you know has to get done and you've been procrastinating on. This can be something as simple as making a quick phone call or booking an appointment, sending a birthday card, just that tiny little nagging task you've been putting off. I love this day because a lot of times these tiny little things will slip through the cracks. So Wednesday, Anti-Procrastination Day, is dedicated to those things. One thing I like to do to make it easier for myself is I keep an ongoing list of tasks as I see them, and it's just in my phone. And then when Wednesday comes up, instead of looking around thinking, oh my goodness, what am I gonna do for Anti-Procrastination Day? I have my little list of nagging tasks. I can pick something and check it off. So today I'm gonna check something off I've been putting off. I don't know why. There's not really a good reason. It's not gonna take me any time. And here's what it is. I have to repot this plant. I bought this little plant. Look, it's still in its little grocery store container, and I have the pot right here. So all I have to do is repot it into here. And for some reason I've been putting it off, and I know this plant will be so much happier if I just finally get it done. So that's what I'm doing for Anti-Procrastination Day. Let me know what you're gonna take care of. Make sure it's something quick. It doesn't have to be something hard. It doesn't have to be something major. I don't wanna see anybody saying, clean my whole kitchen. Yeah, we all procrastinate that. Something small, a phone call, a text, an appointment, repotting a plant, hanging a picture, printing off photos from your vacation. Simple and small, but it gets off your back and lightens the load just a little bit more. Every Wednesday from now on, we're gonna take care of one of those little items we've been procrastinating, and don't worry, I always remind you on Instagram, and I love hearing people share what they're going to take care of that day. Some of them can be really funny. It's amazing what we'll procrastinate. All right, I'm gonna take care of my little plant friend right now, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Once you have that short little thing done, I want you to check it off on your 21 Days to a Clean Home checklist, check off everything else you've done, and then we'll head over to the weekly cleaning schedule, and I'll show you where I add it every single week. So on the daily focus area, there is Wednesday, I write anti-procrastination. As always, change it if you need to, but just put in there what you're planning to do. So usually I'll put this in on Sunday, and then I know on Wednesday what I have to get done. Thank you so much for joining me on this 21 Days to a Clean Home journey. I know you're going to see a huge difference in your house and in your life. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button to follow along to the end of the series, and let me know how you're making out with your progress.